All right, ring lights are great, but I'm so tired of dragging this thing around behind my tripod camera whenever I need to make videos with my good camera. So we're gonna try one of these little light kits, see what we think. Ooh, okay. Now I remember why I chose this one. I really liked the little display. I think it tells you like how much battery life you have, which is really cool. I didn't see that on a lot of other models. And then of course, this one came with the battery and a lot of the other models I was looking at didn't. So again, this is a good value because it comes with the battery. A little mounting hardware and the charger. So that is everything that's inside the box. Let's see how it performs. I think I read in the reviews that it came charged, so let's see. I'm just gonna pop the battery. Oh, that's nice. Just slides right in. We're gonna turn it on. And it is. Battery indicator on the back shows that it's about 75% full. So it does come 75% charged, so you can use it right out of the box. And then the little knob adjusts the brightness. That's nice. Oh, okay. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, so, all right, so you just push, let me turn that down so it's not right in my face. So you push the little knob if you want to adjust more of a white. This is more of a yellow. And then you push it here if you want to adjust the brightness. So once you get it on the color setting that you want, then you can push this and adjust the brightness. So to show you what I was doing, you can adjust the brightness, up or down. That's down. That's up. Nice. To 100%. And then I can push this in and I can go from like a white light, which is 5600K, or I can go all the way down to 3300K, or anywhere in between. So I'm just gonna screw this on to the bottom. Nice. And then you can, ooh, cool, rotate it. And then it mounts on top of the camera like so. Tighten it up. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. As you can see, here's what it looks like in the back. Here's what we've got in the front. It puts out some good light. The price was incredible. The reviews were amazing. This is a no-brainer.